What's up, guys? How's everyone doing? If the answer's not absolutely chaotic, I don't want to hear it. Just kidding. I see NFP had a pretty decent freaking dip down. Let's see. I haven't checked exact. I literally just got home. I was a little bit long at the horses today. Oopsies. Anyways. It is what it is. Let's get this going. So, first things first. Reset. Okay, New York load there was taken. So that's cool, that's cool. This new weekly opening gap is still there. That is not... No. That's a previous midnight open. What is this line? Oh, never mind, I see what that is. Oopsies, maybe. Weekly opening gap, that was a really nice drop down. If anyone got in on that, that's pretty good. Hey, I have passed Eva, what's up? Hey, Elf, how you doing? What's up, Elf? Long time no see. Well, longish time no see. Oopsies, there we go. There we go. Okay, now everything should be good. Yeah, I'm funded. Made 100k yesterday. Damn, Elf. Any tips for passing? Just consistency, man. That's you just gotta keep grinding. I wish I had like trade secrets, but unfortunately, at the end of the day, I mean, it took me quite a while to pass mine. Hey, it took me like 4 or 5 months to pass mine, which I know is quite long actually, but yeah, that is just the truth of it. Consistency, consistency, consistency. Bearish makes good money. Oh, what's up, Monster Mob? How you doing? I love this bearish. Okay. We've got this. Still have quite a bit of time, so give me 2 seconds while I quickly do these. It's been a chaotic day, so you guys are just gonna have to bear with me. How's everybody doing? Just posting these. I mean, there's a 75% discount on Violinox if anyone uses Violinox. Also 30% off all accounts on Tradeify currently, if you'll want that. But moving on. All these AI traders, they think they're smart. Why? Oh, what's happening? What did the AI traders say? I'm curious. You have piqued my curiosity. Okay, let's mark out. I got a boo-boo there. Oh well. Sure. London high and relative equal highs. I may have marked that out already. No, I did not. Okie dokie. So, London high. Well, sure, it's pretty close to relative equal highs, if we're being honest. Gonna have that marked out there. That's a big point of interest, sure. I actually forgot how much London dropped today. London dropped pretty... Oh my word! Well, I scrolled down and I was like, oh, well, we're still going. We're still... Anyways. Okay, that's been marked out, that's been marked out. Who thinks this is gonna continue bearish and who thinks this might turn to the bull side of life? I only trade market movement without fair value gaps or other indicators. Monster Math? Okay, I have a lot of questions. How do you just mark it in? Do you just wait for like a breakout? It is easy to see that Just around are being reinforced by algo traders, to name just one example. But I think I'll pass today. Oh, there we go. Lubba Dubba, good morning. How are you? I wait for a short setup in and bear flags. Because I mean, there is news at 10 a.m. again, hey? It's simple. And that's it. That is amazing. And you just keep it simple. What's your win rate and RR, by the way? I'm pretty sure I've asked you this. I'm sorry if I forgot. But yeah, what's your win rate and RR? So I just always love it. I think it just always shows that you can have the most complicated strategy in the world. Or you can just keep it simple. As long as it makes sense to you, it really doesn't matter. Do you know how many people look at me like, oh, you have no indicators? I'm like, yeah, you don't always need a bunch, right? Who else? Get me. RR is 1 to 3 always. Okay, and win rate, Monster Mob? Sorry if I'm just a tad bit on the quiet side of life today. It's been a long day. But we're here for NFP. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna wait to see how the market reacts to news at 10 as well. That'll be awesome. See if we can get a trade. Oh, let's see how this goes. What, 60%? What? That's amazing! Did I win today? I did not, Elf. I had a little loss, actually. Yeah. Been going through a little bit of losing streak. I'm up in my head. It's so frustrating. I spew on and on about psychology, but sometimes... Well, I still struggle with it. To this day, I struggle with it. If I took all my A+ setups, I would be in the green, but I miss like 2 A+ setups that would have been winners, and then I take like the third, and by that point it's almost overextended, and then that third one is a loss, and I take that freaking trade. Do you know how frustrating it is? It's just to be better at taking them when I spot them and being a little bit, I just want to say quicker to the game, but that sounds a bit weird. Those bear flags really are a risk. 40 up, 60 down. Interesting. Hey, Free Tree, what the fuck? A Veon? I feel like I butchered that. I know, Elf, I know, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll get better. I'm quite positive because it's the weekend. I have nothing planned for this weekend. So I'm going to backtest like a crazy person this weekend. Which company am I trading right now? Well, Nasdaq futures, so top 100. Yeah. I only take trades every few days, only one big winner. Ordered food with one money. Oh, nice one, Smart. What did you order? So wait, you only take trades every few days, only one big winner. Do you just sit on your hands and wait for that like A+ setup? So I'm having such an in-depth conversation. I know I haven't even really looked at the chart, but I mean, I marked out all the highs and lows that I need to be marked out. I'm also keeping an eye out for open, because open could be very interesting. July, what's up? I didn't even do this. Everybody!
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
I hope you guys are just absolutely fan-damn-tastic today. Hope everyone... Guys, it's Friday. It is Friday. Whoop whoop. Just for the fact that it's the weekend coming up. Maybe you guys have some fun plans. Does anyone have any fun plans for the weekend? I wait on daily chart and go to 0.5 fib level from range. Oh, nice. Oh, this is good. This is just overreaction to NFP. We will see that those gaps will probably close. Hey, Strongs, what's up? 6 minutes, time to party. Let's do this. Friday equals short day. Oh, debates are about to start happening. Who's long and who's short? Who's feeling the bulls? Who's feeling the bears? Yep. Spend your win on family trip. Ooh, where are you going, Elf? What's the plan? What's the family trip? Can I be part of your family? I could do with a holiday. I 1.59 Bitcoin short. Monster, what do you trade? Maybe I should have actually asked that. What's your asset of poison? That sounds weird, but you know what I mean. Hey, Vujay, what's up? And hello, hi. Look like a bear, but inside I'm a bull. Oh, that was good. I appreciated that. That was awesome. Golden Bitcoin. Damn. Okay. ES and MES. Ooh, nice. Okay. Oh, I was an idiot. I nearly asked, what do you prefer? Another day, another TP hit overnight. Hey, Trader Neptune. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. Hammer raining here all day. Oh, it only started raining now. Do you know how humid it has been? Like, it has been disgustingly humid. I think it's why, you know, I don't know if it's just me. You know when you feel like just your skin is uncomfortable on your body? That is how I've been feeling today, and it's just because of the humidity. Everything just feels uncomfortable. Literally during the London stream today, I had to change my shirt because I was getting so agitated. And I apologize. I was getting a little bit sassy with the chat, but it's because literally I was I was like, I can't stand this. And changed my shirt and I felt better. Fun. I'm under the covers. Ah, South Africans are such babies. Second, it's like a tiny bit cold. We're like, blop, 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 blop. I can't talk because I am exactly the same. Literally, there's a little gust of wind. I'm like, Jersey. Maybe a little long. No, not a migraine. I'm sorry. That's not fun. I had one the other day. Oh, it's not okay. You know, it's so frustrating. I saw this and I wanted to trade this. Check it that. But I mean, it is 2 minutes till New York Open, so would have been a little bit risky, but I liked the setup that formed here. Oh well, moving on. It's a perfect cup. Below 29, I'm like, winter is here. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, South Africans are such babies when it comes to the cold, but I think it's because the rest of the year it's so damn hot that any hint of a chill and we're like, we're gonna die. I actually don't know what South Africans would do if it properly started to snow. I think we would think it was the end of the world. Monster Mom, it's way too late. What do you mean it's way too late? Hey Debbie, what's up? Monster Mob still thinks we're gonna dump. So glad I've made a few hours. Yeah, you did? What do you mean you made a few hours? What do you mean by that? What does that mean? Okay, wait. 1 minute to go. Are we ready? Are you good? Anyways. Are we ready? We have 20 seconds to go. Ooh, okay. It's not even open yet, damn. Calm down. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Okie dokie. A few hours spare from life. I hear that. Wild guess. I see you like Jennifer Lawrence. What do you mean I like Jennifer Lawrence? Oh. Chef's kiss. Mwah. Let's actually check that out again. Wow, this is a very interesting open. Top candle lid. Nice. Kijoki. Well, that's wiki wild. Get it, this doji. Anyways, because it's such a big wick for a 9:30 open. Oh, I am so not funny. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm so cringe. I'm so sorry, guys. But you know, sometimes in my head I think I'm funny, and then I say it out loud, and I go, no, stop that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay, it's everyone paying attention. Huge wick. That was massive. Now, let's see what we've got. So did it kind of tapped into that fair value gap? Do we think we're gonna start correcting all of these imbalances that it has been creating throughout the day? Hey Nate, am I married? No. Rigged 8 will fall down. Okay, Monster, you are pretty convinced that this is going to be bearish today. Hey Rithan, what's up? How are you doing? How's it going? I hope everyone's amazing. How's everyone's week been, actually? Like, how's the trading week? Is everyone kind of in hands off? What? Yeah, how's it looking for everyone? Not loving that, not loving this either. Just with regards to the wikis that are happening. Wiki. Anyways, I'm happy 0 losses since. What? Are you like? I don't know. What? 0 losses for 3 months. How? How? That is insane. Well done. Seriously, well done. That is awesome. But how? Sure, your confidence must be through the roof right now. Good for you. Nice. I'm glad. You just trade options on SPXY? Are they easy? Okay. We go. Tried to break below, failed. 93. Okay, 5-minute candle incoming. Don't have first presented yet. Still waiting on the first presented. But very conservative. How so? What do you mean by very conservative? Like you just don't take trades that often, or you sit and wait for a long time? My best is 2 weeks, no red days. Whoa, like I mean, even 2 weeks, no red days is freaking impressive. I think my max has been like a week. But anyways, how much time? Sad gamer. Why are you sad? You're playing games. You should be super happy. I wouldn't even call myself profitable just yet. To be fair, I've only been trading for 11 months. But the win-loss ratio is pretty strong. 1 to 19 or 1 to 30. Elf, I don't know if you saw what Debbie asked. Debbie said, without sounding judgmental, how many trades over 3 months? Which that's a valid question, yeah. Bundles and butterflies. It gets to you after 2 weeks. What do you mean? Oh, the winning streak. Is that what you're talking about? Or a losing streak? Because I feel that one. That one's hitting home right there. Not meaning to sound like a negative Nancy. Damn, we're going sideways. Do you think this is just going to consolidate until the news at 10? That seems likely. Would make sense if it does. This is the 5-minute candle right here. No, you little fluffer. There we go. 5-minute candle right there. Ooh, wait, maybe we have first presented. Maybe it's happening. Is it happening? I'm getting overly excited for no reason. Yes, it's dropping still. I trade range. I make sure that SPX stays within a range. Okay. What percentage do you use per trade? I'm just finding your stream. Hey! Well, percentage like nearly 1%. Yeah. Risk management, number 1. I take 3 to 10 trades a day. I'm sorry, 3 to 10, hammer, damn. Sad gaming, you take 11 months to get profitable. Again, I'm not even profitable, so no. It will take longer. You think a falling knife. Let's see, waiting here for... Well. Let's see if this is in DDO going to be the first presented fair value gap or not. If you include the legs, there are approximately 240 trades. Don't forget PMI. I know, Debbie, I know. PMI. So there is news, so I mustn't rush into anything. My YouTube channel like that. I love a scalp, yeah. Hey, dude, we'll see, but I hope it's closing. Yeah. 7 today, all green, no losses, and I'm done. Damn, Hammer, what the heck? Also, how big are your trades, by the way? I think I have asked you. Like, are they super scalp or me? Super scalp sounds weird, but yeah, I hope that kind of makes sense. First presented. So here's the first presented fair value gap that we got going on here. Just took out the liquidity. I know there's news at 10, so it's probably best to just stay hands off until then, but watch this be such a goodie. What's it look like on the 5-minute? Just taking out those lows. A little bit of a liquidity sweep might be better to see it go a little bit further down before retracement back up. Back to the 1-minute. Ooh-wee. Okay, broke below the 5-minute, took out a bunch of sell-side liquidity. Okay, decent rejection of the first presented there. For now. I'm still just watching this like a hawk. Not taking it yet because I think this is gonna still stay pretty volatile for a moment, especially because news is still happening. Small trades of 24 points now on you sold. Nice. We'll see. Do you ever play with orb? I do play with orb. Actually marked out the 5-minute orb here. I do sometimes mark out the 15-minute. I don't know how I feel about orb. Don't hate it, but I'm also not like overly enthused by it. You know, it's not one that I'm just like, absolutely, this is the way I'm gonna trade. If that makes sense. Which is fine, and if it works for you, amazing. Carry on. Patrick, what's up? What am I trading? This is the Nasdaq futures. I've been trading right now. That liquidity sweep would have been my entry for a long. I can't even win 1K today. If I got whatchamacallit? Consistency rules. Can't get 1K. I would then not be eligible. my gosh. Shout out to Elf. That was hilarious. Oh my goodness. Shout out to Elf for the dodo. You are amazing. You are so funny. See a lot of people using 15-minute line, but I watch DAX options trading. They're funny, guys. Hey, Hemi Hobo, what's up? How you been? Whoop, checky there. So that would have been an instantaneous loss. So, Neptune, would you go all the way back up to like midnight opening range, eh? Or what would you be looking for? All the way to the tippy top? Okie dokes, we still got... See, this doesn't look actually bad again. This is more purely out of curiosity. Again, I'm gonna actually stay hands off until news at 10. So we still got some time. Wake up and let the bear and the bull inside you fight. I like that. The bear and the bull inside you that goes rawr and moo. What would that even look like? Would that be letting the emotions win though? Asking for a friend. I'd hold if we deliver in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. And just partials. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Just non-stop with this PA. Good soup. Sorry, that just, it popped into my head because you said turtle soup. I was like, ah, opportunity to say weird things. Yes, as I do. Okay, I do believe this is most likely going to be hands off until news. Do we think this is going to be solid price action after news, or do we think this might just be a rangy day? I wonder. I really wonder what we're going to get. 43. Okay. Just before news, I'm gonna do fun fact of the day. Because I can. And because, guess what? It's fun. And it do be a fun fact. And sometimes we need some good old fun facts in our life. NFP was a bit boring. I thought, like, I mean, a drop, but it wasn't like a drop. Sometimes you see things and you go, whoa, that is insane. It wasn't that. Low-key disappointing. Oh well. Yeah, but okay, that being said, how big is this candle? 158 points, around there. Yeah, I guess. We've seen... English. We've seen way more extreme things on other time. Ooh. Not loving this so far. Really not loving this so far. Got that drop, but it was so slow. I only held for 4 minutes, huh? Elf, what? Oh. I was about to say, too bad I don't trade. I do trade. Not always that well, but I do. Oh, too bad you only trade NDX futures. What? I like the futures. I like the future. Well, I would say just kidding, but that sounds bleak as heck. We can't say that. There's a PG-13 stream. Oh, okay. Let's see, there's the 15-minute range. It's still struggling to break above 9:30 and 5-minute range. I think this is gonna drop down. Okay, I'm in agreement with you guys. I think this is gonna drop down now. Decent there, little retest into it. Let's see how it reacts off of this first presented again. What we're looking at time-wise, we are exactly 15 minutes away from news. This might go sideways until news. Either way, I can't trade this, so it is hands off until we got some decent movement. Cheers, Hammer. Well done today, by the way. That is awesome. Whoop whoop. Well done. I hope you have an awesome weekend, by the way. Actually, let me quickly, while we wait. Seeming as we do have a few minutes and this is literally barcoding and going sideways, let's do fun fact of the day. Okay, I have not seen what this fun fact is, so we're going to experience this together. So the British pound sterling has been in use continuously since around 775 AD, making it the oldest national currency in existence. That's quite cool. Did anyone know that? That is awesome. What? Okay, that is awesome. I did not know that. See, fun fact of the day. Now we can go back to the charts. That was super, super cool. Every day you learn something new. If we don't drop on news, we could see a reversal after news. Ethan says we're going higher. Sorry, was AFK. That's okay. Elf, what? You missed the fun fact of the day. But that's it. Nah, nothing else has really happened, so it's fine. Bullish SMT. So we now... I'm still just hands off until after news. 47. So 13 minutes to go. Patience, pace. Don't jump into things all willy-nilly. Give me 2 seconds. Whoopsie daisy. Sorry, Perry. Sorry, Perry. 2 seconds. Boom. That was literally like 2 seconds. 1 point England ruled the world and now... yeah. Okay, rejection off of there. This is going bob to bob again. Oh my gosh, this is going bob to bob. It's pinballing between the two freaking bob ranges. 15-minute candle. Has to break below here. Do we think we're actually going to get some decent movement after news? Or do you think this is it? Thoughts? Yeah? I mean, if this is it, right? Oh, thanks, Rhythm. Yeah. Let's see, not sure if this will happen now, but me. What am I waiting for? For it to not go sideways. And there's news at 10. There's PMI at 10. This is slow moving, but I'm expecting price to enter POI between 24733. Okay. And wait. I'm gonna get a Fibonacci gap at 7556. Entry should be here. It's a long drawn game. My opinion only. Interesting pillow. Okay, but for a short, I'm assuming. Both of them on the one I'm looking too long after a small pullback, otherwise shorts. Price respect the order block and hit caution block to acceleration higher. Hey Daniel, what strategy do I use? I use market auction theory mixed with some ICT and SMC confluences. Like the easiest way to try and explain that. many horses do I have? One, but I look after two, if you will. Pillow short. Interesting. Let's see, we have got 10 minutes left to go. Dun dun dun. 10 minutes left. I'm super keen to see what happens on that 10 minutes. This might go back up. Be keen to see it go back up again. D1, cool, cool, cool. 9 minutes to go. Yes, I'm just gonna start counting down minutes. I thought that was PMI. Debbie, OTT says there's no news at 10 a.m. See, now I'm confused. Now we got some conflictions going on here. Confliction sounds weird, but yeah, you get what I mean. Oof, rough. Okay, still struggling to break above. Wanted to break there, but with no success. 951. OTT, what's up, by the way? You gotten a trade or not really? How's your week been looking? You've been awfully quiet. Have you had some whoop whoops or nothing? Or yeah. Anything to do with USD pairs or us? Maybe a broken wing butterfly. That is so sad. That is so sad. What a sad thing. Anyways, okay, a broken wing butterfly. Did you try earn to trade? No. 10 minutes away on... Debbie, apparently that's for CAD. Doesn't have anything to do with USD pairs or indices. Nope, I had a partial win and break even trade this whole week. Damn, OTT. Right. Well, this has just been doing this, so that's fun. That's fun for me. Oh, so much fun. Yay. Hey, Brandon, what's up? Chop, chop, choppity, chop, chop, and then boom, bear. I meant an option strategy, but I love how you celebrated. Oh! Yeah, I've got to celebrate everything, right? No? But like broken wing butterfly, it just, that sounds so depressing. Also, I have so many questions about how people come up with these names, like turtle soup. Turtle soup? Seriously? Silver bullet? Unicorn? I feel like we have to come up with some unhinged names. And that is just the way to do it. The more unhinged, the better. Like, what would be quite a cool name? Let's think about a weird animal. They've already taken like unicorns. Would be a weird animal. That sounds mean, but what's a weird animal? I'm bullish though, but this chop nasty. Guys, it's not American news. That's okay. So probably nothing at 10, in which case this is just Chop City. Ew. Why? Sorry, I don't know why I'm talking like that. Sure. The Gator. Ooh, JV Joe. Okay. What about... Oh, do you know what's a weird creature? What about a platypus? Those things are wild. Have you seen all those weird, wonderful facts about platypi? Anyways, a platypus. If you want something more insane, that would be it. The translucent platypus. There we go. That can be a strategy name right there. Copyright. trying along here from a 682 looking for about 70 points, very choppy, so playing light. Yeah, Labadaba, I'm hands off until we get confirmation that this is headed in that direction. With all the liquidity it's grabbing though, I think if it moves, it's going to just sprint away without me. I suspect. You never know though, you never know. It could actually be really proper price action when it actually starts to move out of this. It's basically stuck between the bob levels right now. I don't see any propulsion for long yet. Gonna be a slow climb to point of interest. The only thing pushing price up now is that fair value gap. Platypus block. Ooh, there we go. Only perfect practice makes perfect. Ooh, hear me, hobo. I don't mean to be that person, but I do not believe that there is such thing as perfection. I believe there's such thing as progress, though. But we are quite weird creatures. We will never see anything as perfection because we always raise the bar. So I like to say practice makes progress. Sorry. Sounds like I was raining on your parade, but yes. I prefer practice makes progress, or else we feel like we're never getting anywhere. But if you start to look at where you've progressed from, you feel better. Do I trade George? No, sorry, trade the Nasdaq futures. Looks like price will range till your market closure. Yeah. Well, let's see. We never know. We never. Oh, Peter, what's up? How you doing? Indian time at 27 p.m. Damn, Rithan. Like my bedtime. Timing is 3 to 10 a.m. for our expansion being needed. Oh, Ben, why would you come here with that argument? 6 to 10 can only expand so much. Pineapple does indeed belong on pizza. Fight me. OTT? I agree. I agree. OTT, it's okay. Wait. Me and you, we've got this. We've got this. We'll fight off all them haters. London session dumped like 500 plus points. I'm not trading today. That's actually pretty valid. If this is just going to be a accumulation day, then it is accumulation? Yes. 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 3 minutes to go. I don't know why I'm still waiting for 10, but in my brain I'm still now just waiting for 10. Let's see if maybe maybe 10 because it's a new hour. It's gonna just be a mad lad and it's gonna be good. A sell side liquidity sweep maybe needed to push towards point of interest. Hello? This kind of looks a little bit like, ooh. Yeah, some sad price action going on here. I'm so sorry, like pineapple pizza problems based thing you must have created. Oh no, we're gonna hurt Debbie's feelings. I'm so sorry, Debbie. I'm so sorry. Growing up, it was my favorite thing. I apologize. Yeah, Ben, look at what you've done. You've upset everyone. Oh no. To be fair though, I haven't had pineapple on pizza for a very long time, but it's just because I haven't had the opportunity to have pineapple on pizza in a very long time. How about yeah? Why? Why? Make me nervous when you ask those questions. Don't do that. Don't do. Oh, damn pillow. Sorry, you know people say, I'm clearly not a psychopath. You know people say that if you yawn when someone else yawns, you're good because you empathize. I yawn if I read the word yawn. If someone says yawn to me, anyways, like I was saying, oh, damn, that's now gonna be a thing. Like, you know, a hot day, you craving pizza, you go to is pineapple pizza. It just hits the spot. It's like having a nice cocktail, but it's food and you're not doing anything bad. It's not even 7 in the morning for me. Look at you, starting your day with a bang, Ben. However, I don't mind it on Gammon. Ooh, okay. There's someone here trading SPX. Daniel, what's up? What am I hearing about pineapple pizza? I have no idea what you're talking about. OTT, are you ready for the fights? Here we go, okay. Here's 10 a.m. Maybe this is where we start getting some oomph. Maybe it's just a fake out. I mean, Debbie, it wasn't news here, but we still got some oomph. So that's good. Okay, you're done. What do you mean I'm done? What does that mean, Gary? Is that a threat? Ben, that's so... Oh yeah, Gary. What's up, soldier boy? Tickle, tickle. Let's see, tickle doesn't do anything. Just, yeah. Apparently not, Elf. Apparently not. So, 7 points there. Let's agree to disagree. Thanks. You guys are gonna like make me yawn my head off. Gary, were you saying it in that voice of "you're done"? I feel so sassy when I do that, but you're done. Oh, I was actually gonna meme for that. Did you wait for the drop? Cat when? Earlier? No. Like I said, when I'm live is when I'm on the charts. When I'm not live, I'm off the charts, guys. Yeah. I don't trade, I don't do anything. I'm here. Only when I'm live. Soldier boy, you look energetic. You think I look energetic? Damn, so far I'm doing better than I thought. Because I'm definitely not energetic. Dow was down 900. 900? What the heck? Yeah, MNQ did not have such a big drop. What did I say it was? It was like 150 points. That was it, which is not that much. Anyways. Brandon, what's up? Ooh, itchy, itchy. Ooh, okay. And now we see if this was just a fake out, broke above the 5 and the 15 minutes, so that's something, right? Back into new weekly opening gap though. Maybe back up to VWAP? Soldier boy, oh thank you. I don't know what I did, but I'll take the compliment. Bulls are fighting, yeah. Everyone be fighting right now, damn. Look at those wicks. That's why I'm low-key happy to stay hands-off for a little bit. Let's wait for this Game of Thrones fighting to end. Good. Am I still pretty without my glasses? I don't know. Probably. No. Who knows? Maybe not. Oh. Oh, I just thought of such a good clapback for that, but that it felt too sassy, and I think it's very unnecessary. Well, is it? Because that's a rude question to ask. Should I let the sass out to Kendrick or Kenrick or not? I don't use those bad boys. That's why I think it's so weird. What? No, you lost me. Short of close below 754. What, this one now? I think it will close below 754. If not, it should return here, retest and short. Oh, here we go. Oh, I spoke too soon. We are at this level. 75. I mean, it just closed below 754. 753.25. I think sassy is cute. Okay. So, I was gonna say, so I got Henrik saying, am I pretty without my glasses? The clapback would sweet and simply be, I don't know, but you are definitely pretty without my glasses on. Get it? Because then I can't see you. I think I'm funny. Anyways. Butterfly, what's up, love? Yeah, what when it comes to pineapple and pizza? Oh my goodness. Okay, so I see we're still having a fight about pizza and pineapple. That's fine. Be down 1004. What does this even look like on the higher time frames? Let's see this chaos here. Oh, wiki. What is this? Bruh. Okay. 15 minute. $15-minute candle was literally a doji. Cool. Kind of looks like a V formation though. Eh. Not like I'm great at spotting those, to be fair. But into the 50% of this. Still so much unmitigated shenanigans going on. Back to the 1 minute, I see it's dropping on ES. It's gonna start dropping here too. Back into it. Everyone's so keen on shorts. Don't like where it is with regards there. Nah, I'm still not so keen on this price action yet. I'd rather sit on my hands and wait. Good rejection off the 930 though. Very good rejection off the 930. Yep. Pillow, let's see what you'll miss. What? Ah, cheers, Elf. Enjoy. I'm in ES long chat. Am I correct? Verita Foxhole. The way I correct my glasses. Why? What do I do? Do I just do that? Is that badass? Wouldn't badass be with pretend this is my middle finger doing that, or is that nerdy? Hi, Mr. Chaos. Did you even say hi? You did say hi earlier, didn't you? My bad. What's up? OTT. This entry just wasn't correct, but this would potentially be my entry for a long here. Potentially back up to VWAP. VWAP would actually be quite a solid... Yeah, VWAP would be a good go-to. I know a lot of people are still keen on shorts. How many confluences in this setup? So... that's the thing. If entry was a little bit higher, it would be better. But I mean, I got the first presented fair value gap. I got this fair value gap. I might have my shelves here, but again, it's a tad bit too high. It's kind of what it rejected off of there. That being said, I guess that kind of answers that. Hey, it's technically only 2. It's not even an A+ setup. That answered that question real quick. Huh. It's actually a B setup. Nice. Nice. Media, this is the works for me. I prefer savory, not sweet, and savory foods hence why I never like. Hey, what's up, Pilates? Well, no, I was off. I just hopped on, what, like an hour ago? No A+, no trade, exactly. No A+, no trade. Them's the rules. No A+, no trade. OTT, where's your TP at? Are you aiming for... Wait, that's... Are you aiming for this high? Or are you aiming for VWAP? There would be potential entry. Like I said though, this is a B setup. This is not A+ at all. Aw, thanks, Mr. Chaos. Yes, soldier. Aw, thanks, Filati. Pineapple plus ham, decent amount of cheese is the go-to. OTT, can I one-up that? What about pineapple and bacon? Come on. How is it in South Africa? Good, it's raining and chilled here right now. If you're asking about politics, I have no idea. I try and stay out of all the negativity. I like the best combo. You got sweet, you got savory. You've got love. OTT? Okay, I'm gonna throw you for a loop right now. What do you think about olives on pizza? Giving this half really though. Do I speak Dutch? No. Well, I mean, I can speak some Afrikaans, but obviously that's not Dutch. I know it comes from. What's the correct terminology for this? It's originated from Dutch, but it's Afrikaans. Minus the. No, Diogo, what happened? I'm so sorry. It's okay. I was at a loss. I am so sorry. What happened? Well, I haven't actually taken a trade, so me. I was potentially keen on this, but then, like I said, it did indeed. Well, I did indeed. It was not an A+ setup, so it was hands off. Bacon and banana on a pizza? Hit me hobo? I don't know how I feel about banana on pizza. Olives are awesome on pizza. I could say something that'll annoy a lot of people, so I will not do it. But I could very quickly annoy a lot of people. I will lose like 20,000 subscribers. I don't even have 20,000 subscribers. I will lose 20,000 subscribers in 5 seconds. I'll be in the negatives. Trading class isn't the best. Teacher kicked me out and I couldn't bring my laptop. No! How rude. What the heck, man? Tell her to respect the grind. What is wrong with her? Rara Fatimur. Check. Maybe it's gonna work out now. Ooh, I mean, it would have come close. Would have scared the living daylights out of me. Back into there. Now that has been created. What does this look like on the 5-minute? Oh, I mean, this still doesn't look great on the freaking 5-minute chart. Seriously? Pick it up and put that guy in prison? I should try Ramadan? What do I have to do? I love NQ futures. On this, we agree. I made this biggest mistake in my life when I was 15 years old in 2013 when I discovered trading. I was afraid to try it. So I went back to it 2 years ago. I hope I can make a living. Oh, I mean, Falati, you can. Just don't expect it to be quick and easy. OTT, I'm not even going to ask anything. I'm going to keep my mouth shut. You just get excited or you get sad and you tell us if you're happy or sad. And we will know. Yeah, still not A+ for me. Diogo, I mean, that makes sense. Something me and David agree on. Price action looking nasty. Yeah, Mr. Chaos, it's not... Wait, maybe we got some movement here. I'm just gonna watch how it plays, no trade at all. You sound like me. Why do you think I'm holding my hands like this? This is how I kind of stay hands off. Because I could make so many mistakes oh so quickly. Nah. You break even now though. Okay, cool. That's good. The blueprint is going up. I do agree with you. To be fair, I kind of started with a bit of a bullish bias, a little bit against the grain there. I know a lot of people were bears all the way. Oh well, dare to be different, I guess. Tap into that shelf. Let's see if it now starts popping back up. This is business. Come on, give us something good. Give us something good. You can do it. Price action is actually quite slow for New York today. This is not ideal. Barcode price action Friday. Strike again! Woke up! I hear that. I was kind of hoping for something good, but maybe... maybe not. To be fair, I'm pretty sure some people are loving this price action right now, right? I'm long now 100. It's 860. I mean, that's pretty solid. Back up into basically... yeah, 860 is pretty solid over there. I like it, I like it. Okay. There's a master degree only for trading and they can teach you lots of maths, option, probability, building models, and language program. How do they cover so... How long is the master's degree? Bloody. That's super interesting. I didn't know there was actually like... university degree for trading? Is that a thing? Yeah, puts up printing today, oil and fruit. Hey, what's up, Pretty and Green? How you doing? Yes, this is a high frequency scalpel stream. There we go. Me, I'm just here going... But it's okay. Let's see what we get. This was a B setup. Who also... oh well, it's fine. That's a waste of time. Why do you say that? Out of curiosity, the blueprint? Love, are you good? Yeah. So I saw something just now, and I would kind of like your opinion on it. I thought it was very interesting. It just... How do I put this? It just goes against what a lot of people had said. So it goes against... So I'm gonna quickly... Not for the millionth time. Rashawn, what's up? So, okay. So I saw something and it said... Like, I'm contemplating it in my head. That's why I'm kind of asking for your opinion about this. They said, be confident. You almost need a little bit of an ego. You need to take that confidence. It's almost like you have a little bit of a false sense of confidence and you almost grow a little bit of an ego when it comes to trading. And I thought that was interesting because so many people have said, you know, don't get an ego, don't get a big head, da, 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 da. So I'm like, okay, well, which is it? Because it does kind of make sense because you have to be confident and you have to be confident in taking your trades. And sometimes confidence comes with having a little bit of an ego, being like, no, I'm going to be right. And if I'm not right, it is what it is. But I will be right with this next one and just taking it. And then a lot of people say you should not have an ego. That's like a killer of trading. So thoughts? I'm completely on the fence with this one now. So I'm at a little bit of a loss. So I would love to hear what you guys have to think about that. It kind of stumped me because it made sense, what he said. I was like, okay, it does make sense. But it completely goes against what a lot of people had said. So, yeah. Thoughts? Hey, Tucker, what's up? Love, how old am I? How old do I look? Bet I'm already egotistical. London NFP stole all the moves. I agree, Funhouse. Not bias. The ego part is over trading the same field trade over and over. My those boxes indicate on NQ. I have the 9:30 range, I have the 5-minute range, and I have the first presented marked out. That's basically it. This here is the new weekly opening gap. Sorry, I know it looks a little bit chaotic. That's the new weekly opening gap. You nailed it, both. Believe in yourself, but don't be overly headstrong. But from an execution standpoint, the first trade should always be delusional confidence. Really? Banned all three. How? What did you do? What? Sean Rice 22. Oh, I will take that. I am actually 27. Damn. The news shows some weakness in the labor market, so it's kind of wild that it's rising now. I think they're gonna interest rate cuts. Hey, Gaurav, how you doing? I'm good. I'm good. How you doing? How's the trading treating ya? I trade against my bots. I don't always win, but bots I did. Without my average, I'm working on something with posting in the future. Balcony. How did that happen? What happened? What? Oh, I don't think we're gonna be moving anywhere quickly today. Seriously, I really do not think that we are going to be going anywhere super fast today, which I guess is a bit of a bummer. Well, I say bummer.